So today we'll be talking about how to remove dates from WordPress blog posts, and we'll be using one of my websites, which is ofarms.co. Ofarms.co is an agricultural marketplace. So if you check through the site, you would see lots of products, listings, and all. But we also have a blog part, and we'll be using the blog for this exercise. So the first thing is we have to go to the blog. I have to go to the blog to see the articles there if they have date written on them. Okay, good. So this is our blog. We have so many articles there, and if you check each of them, you see date written on them. So the target now is how we are going to remove the date so that these articles can stay evergreen on search engine. So the first thing is you need to log in into your admin dashboard. And from the admin dashboard, you go to settings. You log into the dashboard. Then you go to settings. Then you go to general. Now you scroll down and look for where we have the date format. Date format. Click on custom and delete this part, this area, make it blank, then save. Now let's go back to the home page, and from there go to the blog to see if our articles are hidden. I mean the dates are hidden. Now let's go to the blog post. Let's go to the blog. Now if you check the date, you would see they are not there. So by default, these dates won't show on search engine when you search for articles. It won't show when it was written, and if it has stayed for 10 years, 10 months, 2 days, 3 days, or anything. So by default, it's going to be evergreen on the search engine, and that's what we are going to do for this site now. So that is it. If you enjoyed if you've been enjoying our teachings, ensure you subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about us. Thank you and have a good day.